Yo, it's Dapper Inez. Drop another review on y'all. And this time, what we're gonna be reviewing is the BAM. Now, let me get my phone out so that way I can give you the proper name of this bad boy because it's definitely a mouthful. This is the Esup. That's ESUP. E S as in Sam, U P as in Paul. The Esup PX-8913, 45-in-1 with 42-bit magnetic driver kit. Okay, so basically, it's a micro screwdriver kit. You know, it has micro bits on there, magnetic tips, so that way you can work on those smaller things that requires smaller bits and stuff. That's the main reason why I bought it. Something that can sit in my car. I always seem to be somewhere where I need to, screw something together or, take something apart, whatever, that has small parts. And I never seem to, have anything like this around. So I grabbed this. It was only $8.99, $9 on Amazon. This bad boy is going to sit in my car because I have plenty of that stuff in the house for when I do stuff in the house. But, I always have to run back home and grab stuff when I need to do stuff, somewhere else. So this is going to sit in my car and bam. So with that being said, let's get into it. When you look at the front, it's all wrapped in plastic all around. You have your little Pengfa, whatever that means, precision screwdriver. I guess that's also the name you can call it, the Pengfa precision screwdriver. On the back, says it again, all that in Chinese, and like everything else, made in China. I can't even begin to tell you what any of that means. I hold it close. Maybe somebody can Google translate it. Translate all that. It's got to mean something. You know what? Let me see if I can figure it out real quick. Let me see if I can Google translate it real quick. Let me bust out the Google Translate picture thing. All right, let's see. Google Translate. Take a picture. See what we're working with. Okay, so let's bring this up. I gotta change the language. I believe it's Mandarin, maybe. Unless you have Chinese on here. Does it say Chinese? It does say Chinese. So I'm gonna go with Chinese, and I'm sure it'll have every type of Chinese. So, okay, have that there. And I'm going to align that and see if it starts identifying any of this. And it does. Look at that. Google on point. So, if you want to read that, you can pause it, read it. Alright. Up there. Pause it, read it. Does Pengfa mean anything? Nope. Here goes your little directions. That's pretty cool right there. Look at that. Alright. So, now that I showed you all that, let's get into this bad boy. So, it's wrapped in plastic. Don't need to bust out any weaponry to get into this bad boy. Let's go ahead and tear right into it. Plastic out the way. Alright. I don't know what that before. I guess you can hang it somewhere if you want to. And you got a little lock on here. Hit open. Oh, it doesn't open. You gotta hold it open and then it'll let you open it up. Bam. Okay. Now you have all your tools. Okay. You got your screwdriver here. This is your main screwdriver that connects to everything. And it's light, small tool. It feels cheap, but as long as it works, that's all that matters. So it can feel cheap all at once, as long as it works, does the job, and we shall see. Okay, you got your flex hose here, so they're getting those little sharp corners, still get the job done there. You put your little, let me open this up some. Okay, and then once you open it up, you screw it tight. Bam, and then you can get busy a little bit. Got another little extension on here. Bam, like that, so you can get even farther spots. So this bad boy definitely works. It's kind of, you know what this kind of reminds me of? That Esup flexible screwdriver bit that I did a review on for your regular screwdrivers. This is like a little handheld version of that. All right, you can get into little hard to reach spots and still be able to screw it. Then you got our little bits and stuff here. Do these come up? How does this work? Well, I guess they stay there, maybe. Now let's put this down and take a look at this. Does that come up, or so? I guess it's meant to stay in there, maybe. Is it? Okay, I mean, whatever. I guess I don't need to take it out. Guess it probably would have been nice to, but no, it looks like it could come out, so I'm not going to go through all that. But it does look like it can come out. Jeez, sharp. It does look like it can come out. Okay, see? So you see me snapping them in. Okay. So obviously, I'm doing something here, so. Okay, maybe you push it back like that. No? I haven't the slightest idea, but whatever. I can pull the individual pieces out that I need, like so. They're kind of in there. If I can get one out. Oh, there we go. Here's one. Okay, so these are your little bits. They're not going to fit in your standard screwdriver, so they're meant specifically for this. It is magnetic, so you see how it does stick in there. Put it upside down. It does not fall out. As you see, it is not falling out. It's in there. See if this part's magnetic. That's magnetic too, as you can see. It's not coming out of there. That bad boy's in there. Let me let you hear it. Okay, that bad boy is definitely magnetic. And I suppose if you really wanted to, you can probably go directly in here. Yep. I don't know why you would do that. You need to put the straight extension in. Oh, you can actually go all the way down into the shaft if you like with the straight extension, and then do it like that. Make it look like an actual mini screwdriver. So that's pretty nifty to be able to do that. Make sure it's tightened up, and then now you got yourself a little mini screwdriver there. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm not going to go pulling out all the little pieces. I'll just hold it up and you kind of can see for yourself the pieces that are in the kit. It's a 45 piece kit total, which means there should be 43 bits here. So here you go. You see for yourself. I'm going to bring it at you Star Wars style so you can take a look at each set. I'm going to go back in reverse so you can see it one last time. Get a little closer. Alright, so those are all your bits. So now that you got to see them, go ahead and put this back in here. I'm sure that means something, whatever. Take this out, put this in, I guess that's probably better like that. This goes in here like that. Bam. and that goes like that, and that goes like that. Okay, so it's all locked up. Yeah, this has been the official review of the, let me get back on the screen so I can see what it's called again. The Esup, I'll let you see it. It's not focusing in. So, but it's the Esup PX8913 45-in-1 with 42-bit magnetic driver kit. Okay? Or the Pengfa precision screwdriver, according to the little logo that's on here. So, I'm gonna say definitely cop that. It's only $9, $8.99 to be exact. If you can use something like this, get it. If not, don't. But I recommend it if you are looking for something like this and you would like something like this. So, with that being said, I'm Dapper Inez, and I'm out this piece.